Today we are going to do a battery cocktail, Espresso Martini. Hi guys, my name is Isis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. This cocktail is my favorite after Negroni, and how to make Negroni you can check a link here. And today I'll show you how to make the second most favorite, my cocktail, Espresso Martini. We will be making 3 different variations, similar but different. So you will be able to experiment and find out even more variations of your own, and please let me know in the comments below which one is the favorite combination for you. And the first version is the most traditional version of Espresso Martini, and the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to chill the glass. We just have to put the ice. I'm going to use a pipette. It's my favorite Martini type of the glass. And we can give a little stir. You can also pour some water, but I don't have a sink in this homemade bar, so I'll be okay with just stirring a bit. And put it aside, and we will be putting all ingredients into the shaker. Short history lesson. Espresso Martini is a modern classic. I'm saying modern because it wasn't created a long time ago, but it's a classic because everybody in the world knows this cocktail. And as usually there are a couple of stories related to how this cocktail was created, but the most trusty one with a famous saying comes from 1980s with a famous bartender, Dick Russell, who worked in London at those times, and that vodka boom, he created this cocktail for the woman who came up to his bar and asked, make me something that will wake me up, fuck me up, and he created this amazing cocktail. I don't know how much truth is in that, but I really enjoyed this creation. So let's go. First ingredient is premium with quality vodka, because you want your cocktails to be good. And I'm going to use 2 ounces of this vodka. Second our ingredient is Kahlua. It is one of the most famous coffee liqueurs in the world. I haven't tried all of them, but from the ones I tried, Kahlua for me is the best, and I always want my Espresso Martini with Kahlua. But if you know some better, let me know, because as I say, I didn't try all of them yet. I'm going to use 2/3 of an ounce of Kahlua. Oh, 1 shot of fresh espresso coffee. I don't have a machine at home, so I got it in the shop close to my house. And sugar syrup. I'm going to use 1/3 of an ounce of sugar syrup, 1:1 ratio. Just to make this cocktail a bit sweeter, because I like it a bit sweeter. So it's bitter, it's sweet, and it's strong. I love it. It's amazing. Now we'll put ice. Full shaker of ice. Love, passion, energy. Every time you make something amazing. And I'm making amazing cocktails all the time. And we are going to give a good, very good energetic shake. Full of love, full of passion, full of energy. And if you put enough energy, enough love and passion, you will have this amazing foam. If you don't have it, that means it's not enough 1 or 2 or all 3 of these elements. We're going to discharge the ice. We're going to serve everything in an empty glass, but chilled. And I'm going to use a strainer and strain it nicely to the glass. One more thing, garnish is very important. Classic garnish. I love classic garnish on this cocktail. It's 3 coffee beans and 3 coffee beans means prosperity, health, and love. But you know, it's like all magic. You can make your own meaning to those 3 coffee beans. Classic version of Espresso Martini. Cheers, guys. And the second version of our Espresso Martini today is, as I call, quarantine version of Espresso Martini. And it got the name because I created it on quarantine when we all were sitting at home during COVID-19, and I wanted to make Espresso Martini for me very much, so I didn't have any of the ingredients that go to the traditional version of it that we just did. So I created my own version of Espresso Martini, and if you want to see some more quarantine cocktails, so check this link and you will find some more amazing quarantine time cocktails that I created and shared with you. And now let's go. I'm going to use this traditional martini glass, chill the glass, little stir, and now we are going to do everything in shake. So this time the first ingredient is our instant coffee. I'm going to use 1 spoon of instant coffee. And this time I'm going to use gin instead of vodka, because that's what I had in quarantine and that's how I created this coffee. I'm going to use 2 ounces of gin and some sweetener. One of my favorite is organic agave. And I'm going to use something like 1/2 ounce or maybe 1/3. If you like sweeter, 1/2 ounce. If you like less sweet, so 1/3. Little stir, and let's put the shaker full of ice and love, passion, and energy, of course. And let's give it a great shake. Drain everything to the chill glass. We can garnish it. I didn't garnish it originally, but this time I'm not on quarantine anymore, so I'll put 1 bean in the middle. Cheers, guys, enjoy. And the last and the third version of our Espresso Martini today is going to be a bit tropical one. It's my twist on Espresso Martini, and it's not so close to Espresso Martini, but this cocktail was an inspiration for me to create this tropical version of Wake Me Up, Fuck Me Up. And for that we need to chill the glass. And a shaker. This time we are going to use this amazing plantation from Jamaica, and I'm going to use 2 cl of this rum. 2 ounces, sorry. Still in transition from European measuring system. Then I'm going to use Kahlua again. I'm going to use 1/3 of Kahlua. Only a bit. I'm going to use honey syrup, 1/4 of an ounce. Just to give a bit sweeter and flavor. And this time I'm going to use orange bitter to add more tropical taste and more bitterness to the cocktail, 3 dashes. And of course, espresso coffee. And let's give it a good shake. this time we're going to garnish it with dehydrated orange and 1 coffee bean in the middle. Cheers guys, tropical version of Espresso Martini. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it entertaining, and I hope you got inspired to create your own drinks, to experiment at home and to try an amazing ocean of taste wherever you are, in the bar, at home, by the beach, you name it. And please let me know in the comments below if you have some other amazing recipes for Espresso Martini. Please share them below, or tell me which one would you like to try first. Original one, quarantine version, or tropical twist on Espresso Martini. Tell me in the comments below, and please support me. Smash button subscribe, hit the button like, show me some love. I'll give you all my experience, love, energy and passion, and I'll see you in next videos. And don't forget, you never put Baileys in your Espresso Martini, because it's Espresso Martini, it's not cappuccino Martini.